Audi Skysphere. The Audi Skysphere concept is the latest elaboration on the theme of the long, low hood and rear set cabin that has intrigued automotive enthusiasts for a century or more. This one is filtered through Audi's technological worldview with a touch of emotion. With the press of a virtual button and the aid of electric motors and telescoping structural elements, the Skysphere's entire front end can extend or contract, changing from an autonomous, long wheelbase, stable Grand Tourer to a 9.8-inch shorter and 0.4-inch lower driver-centric Roadster. When it comes to their footprint, 5.23 meters in length versus 5.19, a width of 1.85 versus 2.0 meters, it is easy to see the similarity between the legendary Hork 853 convertible and the Audi Skysphere. The front end, although no longer serving as a radiator grille, clearly features the brand's typical single frame and the three-dimensionally designed, illuminated emblem with the four rings. The entire single frame and also the adjacent surfaces on the sides are designed with white LED elements to literally act as a stage for visual effects, both functional effects as well as moving welcome sequences when the vehicle is opened and closed. Gentle dimming and a structured, rhythmically pulsating light produce an elegant effect. The daytime running lights in the side front sections. The interior appears as a light, spacious environment, inspired in many areas by the Art Deco universe. The comfortable seats boast the visual elegance of designer furnishings, yet they fulfill the functions of a car seat in driving mode without any compromises. Side support and safety features are part of the package. They are upholstered in sustainably produced microfiber fabric and, thanks to their variable position in the interior, offer the kind of freedom to move and legroom that can otherwise only be experienced when flying first class on an airplane. Large touch monitor surfaces 1,415 millimeters wide, 180 millimeters high on the dashboard and in the upper area of the center console are used to operate the vehicle and infotainment systems. In Grand Touring mode, this can be used to display content from the internet, video conferences, or streamed movies. Small touch panels in the doors are used to operate the air conditioning. A high-quality sound system befitting of this luxury convertible delivers concert hall audio quality even when the vehicle is in motion. These concept cars feature a new design that ultimately reimagines the interior, the passenger compartment, as the center of the vehicle and no longer subordinates the passenger experience to the requirements of the technology. This is reflected in the variable layout of the interior, the disappearance of the controls, and the sheer expanse of the cabin. In this mode, the steering wheel and pedals move into an invisible area. The feeling of space in the concept car opens up completely new realms of possibility for such a sporty convertible. Meanwhile, the Audi Skysphere automatically keeps an eye on the road and traffic with its sensor system and drives the occupants safely to their destination. Thanks for watching.